We will discuss some question answer, and your chapter is earthquake. Some questions answer are discussed earlier, and we may discuss some new questions, we may discuss some old questions, and your set of questions are here given. Set of questions are given here, and you have a job today. You have to listen these answers what I am saying, and you have to note it down in your paper. Okay, so be ready with your pen and paper and write the answers. Listen the answers carefully and write it down. Okay, first few questions are very short type questions, and we will discuss very short type questions today only. So your answers will be either in one sentence or two sentence maximum. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and what I think not more than 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, so you must listen the answer carefully. I will tell the answer directly. Okay. So the first question is, what is an earthquake? It is discussed earlier. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth. Okay, this much is your answer in one sentence. It's finished. An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth. This much only. What causes an earthquake? It varies from marks to marks. If it is a 1 marks question or 2 marks question, you can write only one sentence. But if it is a 3 marks question, then you have to elaborate your answer. You have to make it more detailed. But today I will discuss if it is asked in 1 marks question or 2 marks question, then one sentence is sufficient, and your answer, you may write answer in this way. Question number 2, what causes an earthquake? The earthquake are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth, which is called crust. Repeating, I am, the earthquake are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth, which is called crust. Okay, this much your answer only. What causes an earthquake? You may write a different answer also, no problem at all. But if it is asked in 1 marks question or 1 marks, you have to write, if you were allotted only 1 marks for this, or if you were allotted 2 marks for this, you can write only one sentence. Okay, and you remember what is crust? Crust, earth. We have discussed earlier that earth mainly consists of 3 layers. One is the innermost, that is called core, and above core there is mantle. So deep inside core, then mantle, and the uppermost layer is called crust. And if there is a disturbance caused in this crust, that is in the uppermost layer, then this disturbance is felt on the surface of the earth, and this is called earthquake. And this is the disturbance is the cause of the earthquake. The disturbance inside this crust, which is the uppermost layer of the earth, the disturbance caused in crust is the reason of the earthquake that is felt on the surface of the earth. So what causes an earthquake? So your answer will be, again I am repeating, the earthquakes are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth, which is called crust. Okay. Now next question, what are seismic waves? What are seismic waves? So when the disturbance takes place at the point from where this disturbance is generated, a wave comes out. This wave is called seismic wave. So what will be your answer? What are seismic waves? So, your answer is the tremors produce wave on the surface of the earth known as seismic wave. The tremors produce wave on the surface of the earth known as seismic wave. So, one sentence answer is in your one sentence. If it is asked what is seismic wave, you may write the tremors produce waves on the surface of the earth known as seismic waves. Give other name of seismic zones. Give other name of seismic zone. So, there are two other give other name of seismic zone. Seismic zone can be also called weak zone. So, other names of the seismic zone is weak zone or faulty zone or fault zone. It can be written as your answer is one word answer here, weak zone, WEAK, weak, ZONE, weak zone, or you can write fault zone, FAULT, fault zone. You can write either you write weak zone or you write fault zone. Okay.